If Yelp keeps rejecting your removal request, you're losing customers right now. And here's exactly what business owners can actually do. Here's the problem. Yelp built the platform so you can't delete anything. Flag reviews within 48 hours using Yelp's Report Review button for policy violations. Respond publicly within 24 hours to show future customers you care about resolution. Yelp's entire business model depends on review authenticity. They generate $1.1 billion annually from ads, and businesses trust the platform because reviews stay visible. A competitor leaves a fake one-star review claiming you served raw chicken. Within 72 hours, your reservations drop 40%. You can't delete it yourself. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla to dispute policy-violating reviews the right way. Most people fail here. They try to delete reviews by disputing honest negative feedback. Yelp's algorithm flags that immediately. You waste 2 weeks waiting for rejection emails. The review stays up. Your rating drops further. With ReputationZilla, we only dispute reviews that actually violate Yelp's content guidelines, fake reviews, competitor attacks, or reviews with zero transaction proof. Flag the review within 48 hours. Click the 3 dots next to the review, hit Report Review, and select the exact violation. Yelp's team reviews flagged content within 5 to 7 business days. Choose the right category. Fake review, conflict of interest, threatening content, or contains private info. Wrong category equals instant rejection. Respond publicly within 24 hours of the review going live. This is important. Future customers read your response more than the review itself. Keep it under 100 words. Acknowledge the issue, offer a private resolution, and include contact info. ReputationZilla writes responses that convert 60% of angry reviewers into updated reviews or deletions. Here's the problem. If you ignore a fake review for more than 7 days, Yelp's algorithm assumes it's legitimate. The review gets indexed higher in search results. Your overall rating drops. New customers see it first. You lose an estimated 22% of potential bookings in month 1 alone. Use this exact wording in your Yelp dispute message. Copy this word for word into the "Why are you reporting this review?" box. This review violates Yelp's Content Guidelines Section 4.2. The reviewer has no verifiable transaction history with our business. Our point-of-sale records from the claimed visit date show 0 matching transactions. This constitutes a fake review under your policy. Request immediate removal. That phrasing cites the exact policy Yelp moderators check. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla file the dispute for you. We know which policy lines get reviews removed in 2026. This review violates Yelp's Content Guidelines Section 4.2. The reviewer has no verifiable transaction history with our business. Our point-of-sale records from the claimed visit date show 0 matching transactions. This constitutes a fake review under your policy. Request immediate removal. Flag policy violations within 48 hours using Yelp's report tool. Respond publicly in 24 hours with resolution offer. Stop losing customers to fake reviews. ReputationZilla handles disputes end-to-end. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete dispute guide. Visit ReputationZilla.org.